I'm offering a class in basic paper piecing. Most of you know already, but paper piecing is where we sew fabric on paper and get perfect points and perfect curves, and it just turns out perfect. So this time I'm offering 2 books for you to choose from. My favorite author is Hertal, and she has 2 very interesting books. We make squares, blocks that are about 8 inches square. You can choose, we'll probably do 2 in the class. Her books, one of them, you can make a wall hanging that will last, you'll have a different square for every month of the year. The other one is get the jump on Christmas and make a table runner as my sample is, or just make blocks and make a quilt. I sure hope that you can join me. We'll have lots of fun in the class.